Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one stop watch video. You guys, this is going to be a quick video because last week it snowed and this week you can finally see the garlic, okay? And everything else pretty much died out. Once again, don't worry because you know I got you covered in my DIY section. I got a bunch of videos and projects coming out soon, okay? But let's get into this garlic. You see how it's 2 pieces of garlic there. I didn't want to pull it up because just in case it's not done, because this is my first time growing garlic, but so far everything looks good. My biggest regret is only planting 3 cloves. If I would have known then what I know now, I would have definitely made the whole pot garlic, okay? But moving on to the mint. Now, I'm not concerned about how the mint looks because it's going to grow back, hopefully. But moving on to the seedlings, and it's unfortunate that I never got to harvest it, and I guess I still could, but I don't want to harvest it and then it sit in the refrigerator, you know? So I want to be in the mood for kale, you know what I mean? But this is the cauliflower. Somehow I'm surprised this thing is still around, okay? And this is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I got some more DIYs and other videos coming out soon, especially when I'm going to plant this year. So, all right, you guys, be safe and thanks for watching. Subscribe.